Hey, what's poppin' guys, and welcome back to a very special video. Today we're going to be shooting the most coolest nerf gun ever made from Zombie Strike. And it's one of the pistols. It is the zombie pistol. Y'all don't know, if y'all don't know this pistol, it can shoot 2 bullets at once. And we're going to be testing it out today, and we're going to see if it can get, I want to get 50 likes on this video. Okay guys, let's get it. Let's go guys, let's go to the backyard. Rephrase that guys, we're gonna take it to the back room here. And we're gonna show you how it fires. Yeah. Okay guys, let's get started. Let's get started guys. First target on the list. We're going to try to hit a glue bottle off of that bed thing. Let's do it, guys. Let's get it. First shot, guys. That's how we do it. Next, we're going to try to hit a, what should we hit, guys? Comment down below what you want me to hit next. What should we do, guys? Should we hit the bottle again with 2 bullets? You want that? Okay, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Hold on, wait there a second. Let me get the glue bottle back. Put 2 bullets in. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Guys, are you ready? That's how we do it, guys. And let's do some cinematics. Okay, guys. That's all we got for today. Tell me, what do you want me to use next? Do you want me to use my nerf rival? Comment down below. What do you want me to do next? Peace out, guys.